Hey guys, how you are doing? Hope you are fine. So yesterday we started a challenge and it's a skipping challenge. I told you somebody tagged me. I wanted to do this and come live because I'm getting ready to go get one or two things from the grocery store. But I thought by the time I go to the grocery store and come back, I want to start cooking. I might end up not being able to do what I'm supposed to do. And I said, this is a challenge. It might not be easy, but you intentionally put your heart to it and find a way to do it. So instead of me just getting ready, all fully dressed and go, I said, okay, let me do this exercise first. Because I was thinking I'll come live so that I can do it live and then we'll motivate each other and just. But my schedule today cannot permit that. So here is me going for the skipping challenge. Day 2. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's see how it can go. So I just thought to introduce this video. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Esther. I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. Please like this video, encourage me, tell a friend to tell a friend. We are doing a skipping challenge. So let's get it started. Okay. Okay, guys, let's go.
Òrè t'Olúwa ṣe láyé mi ló wá mú kọ́kàn mi fi balẹ̀. Òrè t'Olúwa ṣe láyé mi ló wá mú kọ́kàn mi fi balẹ̀. Òkun tí Sátánì dẹ fún mi Olúwa ò jẹ́ kó mú mi o. Àwọn tí Sátánì dẹ sílẹ̀ o Olúwa ò jẹ́ kó mú mi o. Mo ń jọlá Olúwa. Mo ń jọlá Olúwa. Mo ń jọlá Olúwa. Ó ní kí fọkàn balẹ̀. Ó gbé mi séjìká rẹ̀ o. Ó ní kí fọkàn mi balẹ̀. Ògùn t'Olúwa ti ṣe parí. Èèmọ̀ tún lè gbérí mọ́. Èmi t'Olúwa ti mú borí. Ọwọ́ mi ò tún lè relẹ̀ mọ́. Mo ń jọlá Olúwa. Falala, mo ń jọlá Olúwa. Falala. The goodness and mercy is what I'm enjoying o. My eyes have seen, my ears have heard, and the champion me of every good thing. Mo ń jọlá Olúwa, falala. Olúwa, falala. Ọlá Olúwa ni mò ń jẹ. Ọlá Olúwa ni mò ń jẹ o. Èmi ò jagun mọ́. Ọlá Olúwa ni mò ń jẹ. Ọlá Olúwa ni mò ń jẹ o. you for fighting for me.
Wah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter.
So guys, that's it for the day. That's my own for the day. Like I said, there's no pressure. Do it at your pace. Skip when you skip. You pause, you can drink water. We don't want casualties. We want to keep fit, but no casualties. You skip, you drink, you move your body to the left, to the right. Music will help you to go far and do it better. So that's it for the day from me, for the skipping challenge day 2. I'm just going to get right out now. And going out also, I'm also walking. So the exercise continues. So go get some stuff, then start cooking before the kids will come back. So I'll see you guys in my next video. If you've watched this extent, thank you so much. Like the video, leave me a comment, let me know you were here, and I'll see you in my next video. Later in the day, I'll be dropping a video update on somehow.lets, an African baby doll. Come and hear the gist. What happened afterwards? So look out for my next video. I love you all. Bye for now. It's your girl Esther from the Esther Studio.
Like drop a comment and share with your friends and family. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. Estas Chronicles.